Hey guys, so some of you may have noticed that I haven't been posting on schedule as often as I used to. I just wanted to hop on here and give you a quick explanation as to why that's been happening. There's been some changes in my work life and it's exciting, but it's also taking up a lot more of my time. So even though I know you guys don't feel like you need an explanation, it makes me feel better to come on here and let you know that I'm not trying to not post on the right times. It's just I've been working a lot more because I got a promotion, which is really exciting. I'm learning a lot at my job, but I'm also working a lot more hours. It's a little bit more draining trying to start a new position for any of you who have done that before. And yeah, so it's an exciting time for me, but it's also taking a lot of time away from my YouTube enjoyment. So I just want you to know that I appreciate you and I'm still doing my best to try to post at least once a week. But honestly, the best way that you can keep up with me is to turn on your notifications down below, because then you'll know exactly when my videos go out. I'm hoping that once I'm kind of in the groove again, I can get back to my normal scheduling, but as of right now, it might be a little bumpy. I did start at my new job in July and recently got promoted like 2 weeks ago. So it's been very quick, very go, 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 and just thought I'd let you guys know about it. So I apologize, but please leave me comments down below. I still love taking the time to chat with you guys and hear your thoughts on all things beauty and makeup. You are what make doing this channel so much fun, so I don't want you to think I'm forgetting about you or that I'm giving up on my channel. It's nothing like that. It's just I'm trying to find the work-life balance that comes with new positions and change. So I know this is a extremely quick video, but I will see you guys again soon. Thank you so much for bearing with me in this kind of time of change. You guys are all amazing, so please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Again, turn on your notifications because then you'll know when my videos are posting if they're not posted exactly on my usual times. Before I ramble on even more, again, thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.